All right, in this video, we are required to solve this particular equation. When you say you should solve, it is only in the equation that you can be required to solve, meaning that there is a value or there is a variable that must be determined. So in this case, what we are solving for basically in this question is we are solving for x. We are looking for the value of x that will make the left-hand side of this equation to be equal to the right-hand side of the equation. So the first thing we need to do is to open this bracket for each of the term on each side. So 3 times 2x would give us what, 6x. Then 3 times minus 7, that will give us minus what, 21. Will now be equal to 2 times x, that is what, 2x. And 2 times minus 8, that is what, minus what, 16. So the next thing is to collect what, like terms. So if we collect like terms in this equation, what are we going to be having? We are going to be having 6x. Now 2x is coming, is crossing the equality sign to turn to minus 2. Minus 2x will now be equal to, this is still minus 16, but minus 21 is coming here, that's plus what, 21. So 6x minus 2x will give us 4x. Then minus 16 plus 21 is the same thing as saying plus 21 minus what, 16. Okay, so minus 16 plus 21, and that will give us 5, right? That will give us 5. So we divide both sides by the coefficient of x, which is 4, divided by 4. 4 cancel 4, so x in this case will be what, 5 over, excuse me, sorry for that, x will now be what, 5 over 4. So what is 5 over 4? How many 5 can we see in 4? That is 1, remainder 1. So that will be one whole number, 1 over 4. I want to believe this video has helped you. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comment. And if you want to appreciate us, please just message us through our email or follow the prompt in the description link below. See you in the next video. Thank you.